How to turn on or off floating icon on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and further scroll down and tap on the accessibility option you see there. Further, under the physical and motor tab, you will see the option for touch. Tap on the touch option and then tap on the assistive touch option. Further, if you want to disable the floating icon, then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for assistive touch. And if you want to enable the floating icon, then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for assistive touch. So, this is how you can turn on or turn off floating icon on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.